We're out fluking today. We're back out on the Yo Adrian. Crazy wind. Drift is a little extreme. We got the drift sock out. Hoping to pick up some flounder. Got 3 ounces and I'm barely holding bottom here. That sucks. That blows, dude. Like right away. Well, first 2 minutes lost the rig, tied back on, now in the water with 4 ounces and still not holding bottom. Well guys, I got my first fish here. Let's see what it is. Big sea robin. Big sea robin. All right, no? Toss him?
Yeah, toss him.
All right. Back. All right, we're going to just tip this bucktail with a couple of spearing, and to hold them on, slice a little piece of gulp and put that over the hook tip, and it keeps them from coming off. We have cars and stuff here.
What's that? Yeah. Yeah, there's street cars, ice cream trucks.
Street cars and ice cream trucks.
Oh my. How's she holding?
Do you think they still have ice cream on board down there?
Wait.
You know, Kim said to me, why don't you bring your rain jacket? I was like, I don't need it.
Who said?
Kim.
Oh, I'm hit already. Maybe it's Walter.
It's mine.
You had one?
Oh. Which means I got to check now because I had spearing.
How many did you have on there?
2. Which means I could have lost my bait. So now I got to pull them up. All right.
He's not a big one.
Bill's got one.
He's not big. He's a little guy.
Oh. Lose him. Lose it at the boat. Lose it.
He's going to get me $1.
Lose it.
Hello, Mr. Fluke.
Ah.
It's worth $1. It's not a keeper.
First fish, $1.
The first fish.
First fluke, anyway. Flounder. Come on, dude. Oh, we're on.
Let me know if
This
you're
is
using that.
maybe. We'll see what we've got here. Let's see here. Yes, net. This is a nice fish. Nice fish. Quickly. Come on, Bill. Bring the net. Get it down there.
Oh, nice.
Yes.
Not too heavy, but he's definitely big.
Nice.
He's actually very nice. Very
Yeah.
Beauty. I want one now.
Okay, pool winner. We can go home now.
We're just getting started. We just got here. That's good. Looks like about 21 inches.
Oh. You were right. 21.
I love it. Congratulations.
All right. Let's get back in the water.
Throw that net up on the side.
Yeah, I will. Take care of it.
That's a good.
Another nice fish. Let's see. Seems like he might be. Yeah, I need the net. Need the net, yeah.
All right, another nice one.
He'll keep. Yep.
Good job. We get you on the meat here on the Adrian.
20.
Good. That guy probably looks like he could weigh more than the other guy. That was 21
Possible.
because he's fatter. Got a nice one.
All right, Billy's on one.
I lost him.
Was on one.
Dang.
It looks like I still have the heaviest fluke.
Take it easy. We're just getting started.
Oh, I just lost you. I feel like Bill now. Ah, you were solid too. I'm gonna bounce it for a minute and then I'm gonna reel up to make sure I still have the spearing. That was a solid fish.
I'm sorry, I missed it completely. What happened?
Yeah, we're on again. And he's off. And he's off. That's the third nice fish I've lost. On the drop. On the drop.
That looks like a nice one.
Yes. No. He's probably not gonna be a keeper.
I don't think it's nice. Who caught that, Bill?
He's fat. Don't you go flipping out on me. He's short. 16. Really short. Okay. This guy feels a little smaller. It's a sea robin. Sea robin. Small guy.
I wouldn't mind a sea robin.
So, all right, stop it. You gotta grab these guys with the, almost just missed his eye. And there goes the grub tail too.
Son of a gun.
Last three fish. Okay. Let's do something. Anything else different in here? Look at this neon guy.
Wow.
You think that'll work? A little twin tail?
Yeah.
Let's try the twin tail. Let's see if I have anything else. Got the shrimp. Try the twin tail. This is another freshwater bait. Let's see what happens. The tail will go like that.
Yeah, I love it.
We got it. Stay on now. Oh, I need the net. Maybe I don't. We'll see. Let's get it anyway. close. Maybe not. Whoa.
Yeah, he's a long, skinny guy, but I don't think so.
Might not make it, right?
Maybe 17, 18, 18 and a half.
Yeah, he's gonna be a little short. $17.
Yeah. All right.
All right, man.
Listen for the horns.
What's that? Time to go. We're all done for the day. We're bringing the boat back to port. Hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please hit that subscribe button, bell notification icon, and check out the next one real soon. Thanks. Have a great day.